Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Free Village ice maker. Okay, so when you unbox it, before you plug it in, there's two very important steps to do. First, you want to set it on the counter for at least 2 hours. There's some oil in the compressor. You want to make sure it drains all the way back down in the compressor. Next, we got some tape in here, but the most important tape is on that flapper back there. Now, you're going to have to reach in there and you've got to make sure you remove this tape. Okay, so it can be a little tricky, but just pull it up. Make sure you take it all the way off of that flapper. Be careful. Okay. There's also some tape on the basket. So you're going to put your water right here. There's a filter down there. There's the max line. So fill it up to the max line, and then we're going to start making some ice. So it does have a nice handle. It's very easy to install. It's kind of key there. So put it that way. There's a fan on the side. Very simple to operate. We're going to turn it on and off. Add water light, ice full, and power light. Now on the bottom of the ice maker, we do have a drain. So if you do need to drain out that compartment, we can drain it. Okay, so I've got it filled up with water. Let's put the ice tray in. Okay, so as soon as I plug it in, that little tray did move. Now we're going to turn it on. Now it might have already been powered up when you first plugged it in. So as long as the power light is on, that means it's on. So you hear a little pump running. It's going to suck some water, and it's going to put it up there to where it can freeze it. Now it may spill over, and that's fine. She's going to go right back into the chamber. Okay, so now I heard the compressor kick on, and there's a fan that kicked on. I can feel some air coming out here. It did come with this nice ice scoop and a couple bags for ice. These are pretty nice. Okay, so it does come in some different colors. This is green, gray, red, and white. Now the type of ice it's going to make, it's called a bullet ice. It's going to make 9 bullet ice per round. So it's a really fast ice maker. It's already made 2 batches of ice. Every 6 minutes, so about every 5 to 6 minutes, you'll see the ice. That thing will drop down and pick up the ice and scoop them over here. And the ice is really frozen, really hard. Now it does have an infrared sensor, so when the ice builds up and it blocks this little infrared sensor line right here, it will turn the ice maker off. And then as it melts down, it will start making ice again. So that's an automatic feature that works really nice. So that ice, if it sits here, it's just going to melt, eventually go back into that water. Now there's a little bit of insulating to this, but it's got a lid here, so the ice is going to melt. Okay, so it's getting ready. There's the ice. They're going to drop down. Okay, and then that paddle is going to move them into the basket. And this happens every 5 minutes. And then that bucket will fill back up. What you're hearing now is a little pump, and it's filling that up inside there. And again, we got a little scoop. Makes scooping out the ice very easy. So I was given this ice maker for free, but I was not paid for the video. I am very happy with this ice maker. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.